Did you know that men have symptoms similar to premenstrual symptoms in females? Symptoms like mood swing, breast tenderness and swelling, also known as gynecomastia? You probably think I am kidding, but I am not. These are weird signs of low testosterone in men that are not widely talked about. Also, do you know that women also have and produce their own testosterone, though in little quantity? Stick around to learn new things you never knew. I will talk about both known and weird unknown signs of testosterone in men, as well as natural herbs that help increase the level of testosterone and their side effects. If you're new to this channel, I am V, and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube, where we talk about everything health related. Testosterone is a steroid hormone that is primarily produced in the testes in males and the ovaries in females, with a small amount also produced in the adrenal glands. It is a key hormone in males, playing a crucial role in the development of male reproductive tissues such as the testes and prostate, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle and bone mass, and the growth of body hair. In addition to its physical effects, testosterone also influences certain behaviors, such as aggression and dominance, and has a role in the general health and well-being of individuals, impacting factors like mood, energy levels, and libido. In females, testosterone is present in much lower levels, but it still contributes to libido, bone strength, and muscle mass. Low testosterone, also known as hypogonadism, can present with a range of symptoms, some of which are less commonly known. I will talk about the welcome known symptoms, but first, let us look at the weird and unknown signs. Decreased sense of well-being. Individuals with low testosterone may experience a general feeling of reduced well-being, including mild depression, a decrease in optimism, and a general sense of not feeling well. Difficulty concentrating. Testosterone plays a role in cognitive functions. Low levels can lead to difficulties with concentration and memory. Mood swings. While often associated with female hormonal changes, men with low testosterone can also experience mood swings, including irritability and increased emotional sensitivity. Sleep disturbances. Low testosterone can cause sleep issues, including insomnia or increased sleepiness. Some individuals may also develop sleep apnea. Decreased bone density. Testosterone helps in maintaining bone density. Low levels can lead to a reduction in bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Increased body fat, particularly an increase in abdominal fat and breast fat, can be a sign of low testosterone. This hormonal imbalance can alter the way the body stores fat. Dry skin or hair changes. Testosterone impacts skin and hair health. Low levels might lead to drier skin or changes in hair texture, including hair loss. Reduced muscle mass. Testosterone plays a key role in muscle development and strength. Low levels can lead to a noticeable decrease in muscle mass and strength. Breast tenderness or swelling. In some cases, men with low testosterone can experience gynecomastia, which is the swelling or tenderness of breast tissue. Changes in cholesterol and lipid levels. Testosterone influences the metabolism of lipids, and low levels can lead to changes in cholesterol levels, potentially increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other health issues. If you suspect that you have low testosterone, they should consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now to the more recognized symptoms and signs. Reduced sex drive. Testosterone plays a key role in libido. Low levels often lead to a significant decrease in sexual desire, lack of sexual arousal. Erectile dysfunction. Testosterone stimulates the tissues in the penis to produce nitric oxide, which starts several reactions that result in an erection. Low testosterone can make it difficult to achieve or maintain erections. Reduced semen volume. Testosterone aids in the production of semen, which is the milky fluid that aids in the motility of sperm. Men with low testosterone often notice a decrease in the volume of their semen during ejaculation. Hair loss. Testosterone plays a role in several body functions, including hair production. Balding is a natural part of aging for many men, but those with low testosterone may experience a loss of body and facial hair as well. I have compiled a list of herbs that is believed to increase testosterone level where they are commonly found, and their potential side effects. Ashwagandha. This herb, used traditionally in Ayurvedic medicine, is thought to increase testosterone levels and improve male fertility. People have reported significant increases in sleep quality. It's native to India and North Africa. Side effects may include upset stomach, drowsiness, and diarrhea. Ginger. Widely used as a spice and folk medicine, ginger might play a role in increasing testosterone levels. It's found globally in many kitchens. Side effects are generally mild but can include heartburn, diarrhea, and stomach discomfort. Tribulus terrestris, often used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine. This herb is believed to enhance sexual function and increase testosterone levels. It's native to warm temperate and tropical regions. Possible side effects include stomach pain, cramping, and diarrhea. Maca root. This Peruvian root is thought to boost libido and may increase sperm production but not directly increase testosterone. Side effects can include altered menstrual cycles, mood swings, and insomnia. Fenugreek. Commonly used as a spice, fenugreek may help increase testosterone levels. It's native to the Mediterranean region, Southern Europe, and Western Asia. Side effects might include diarrhea, bloating, and unusual body odor. Horny goatweed. Used in traditional Chinese medicine, it's believed to improve sexual function, but evidence for its effect on testosterone is limited. Side effects can include dizziness, vomiting, dry mouth, and nosebleed. Tongkat alley. Found in Southeast Asia, this herb is used to treat erectile dysfunction and possibly increase testosterone levels. Side effects can include insomnia, increased heart rate, and irritability. Ginseng, particularly Korean red ginseng, is thought to enhance sexual arousal and could potentially impact testosterone levels. It's native to East Asia. Side effects may include headaches, sleep problems, and gastrointestinal issues. Pine bark extract. While known for its antioxidant properties, its role in increasing testosterone is not well established. It's derived from the bark of pine trees. Side effects can include dizziness, gut problems, and headache. Astragalus root. Used in traditional Chinese medicine, it's more known for its immune-boosting properties than its impact on testosterone, but it also increases the level of testosterone. Side effects might include immune system suppression at high doses. Hawthorn berry. Known for its cardiovascular benefits, there's little evidence linking it to testosterone levels. It's native to temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere. Side effects can include nausea, fatigue, and heart palpitations. Damiana. This shrub is native to Central America and is used to boost sexual satisfaction but doesn't have a direct link to testosterone levels. Side effects can be minimal but may include hallucinations at high doses. Hibiscus. Commonly used as a tea, hibiscus might have an impact on hormone levels, but its effect on testosterone is unclear, but it has been reported to increase its level. Side effects are rare but can include stomach pain, gas, and constipation. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, its impact on testosterone levels is ambiguous and might vary. Green tea is generally safe, but excessive consumption can lead to liver issues, stomach problems, and anxiety. Black seed oil. Known for its wide-ranging health benefits, its direct effect on testosterone is not well established but has been indirectly linked to testosterone level increase. Side effects can include allergic reactions and gastrointestinal issues. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal supplement, as they can interact with medications and may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it helpful. Remember to get your hormone levels checked and consult with your doctor before starting any of these herbs. That being said, be kind to your body so it can be kind to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you feel the information on this video is incorrect, please comment on the comment section or write me a personal email. Have a beautiful day and a healthy life, and see you in my next video.